710s.
That's what I got loaded.
Yeah.
See, we 720s. We're already saying all these bad things about the spreads and all that. So why are we trying to go that far out? Frankie's gonna take this red to green.
Hell no, bro. The moment I hear my alert get triggered, that's when I'll get in. If I even see the asset 703, I wouldn't get in. I need to hear that alert actually get triggered or something execute at that level. What's my alert? Even though 704 is where the double top's at, the momentum Netflix can have off highs, I personally taken at 703. My alert would be exactly at 703. But Netflix is a tough stock. Just remember that, guys. Horrible spreads. You don't have to size heavy on it. And if you're not comfortable trading it, then just don't.
I'm going half size just to put in perspective for y'all.
Same here. So.
Yo, by the way, iOS 18 dropped last night. Side note, that shit is fucking amazing.
It's kind of whack. They don't have any of the fucking AI features though.
Watch your mouth, Benji.
No. Did you update the Mac too? The
No.
Mac get theirs.
Yo, dude said Face ID to lock messages is the best part.
Microsoft with the push here. Where'd you like that, Frank?
I like that at 440, but it's breaking right now. So, yeah.
Good off that?
Yeah. Unless we pull back. But other than that, no.
But you got it open, Nor. Fuck.
I'm actually deciding right now.
George, I'm honestly contemplating having Nvidia.
That actually might be the closest thing.
Yeah. And the safest.
I don't know. I have a feeling that Meta's going to do some bullshit off the open. Hopefully
I
I'm
don't know why
wrong.
I'm playing Microsoft.
Where do you like Meta? At 540 or at the high?
So where I can play this is anywhere above 539.50. That doesn't mean I'll play at 539.50. It just means if I'm able to, I can play it there because that's above the trend.
Tesla's pushing. What's Tesla at? Okay. If that gets anywhere above like 233, that's when you guys have to let us know.
Who?
Tesla.
Yeah, that shit is far away, man.
Not till 235 on that one, for me at least.
So Nvidia,
Contracts-
huh? That's what we decided as a team?
And so contracts are always written. If I write trade ideas, I always give you the contracts I'm looking at.
I think between Nvidia and Meta, George.
At open.
So I'm the asshole with Netflix pulled up.
Kevin's the asshole with Google open, so trust me, it gets a lot worse.
Isn't Netflix worse than Google?
Bro, I don't even know, honestly.
Honestly, yeah, so I don't even blame you.
And I'm over here thinking about Microsoft. Oh, man.
Shut up, Bankman City. Too early for you. Alright, Nvidia watching the 120 calls. This is holding up while the market's dropping right now. There is a freaking 1 minute trend.
Market's dropping heavy.
Yeah, Nvidia's holding up, guys. So I have the 120 calls ready to go.
Tesla's at 231.
Yeah, fuck Tesla. I'm not about to play eeny, mini, money mo here, just switching back and forth.
Red to green on.
Nvidia, right? I'm waiting a second here.
Nvidia is like right at that 1 minute trend.
Correct. That's why I'm waiting for at least like 85, 90 here to enter. As long
Market
as
pushing too right now.
yeah.
Market just made a high pre-market, or broke the high from pre-market.
232.
What is?
Tesla.
Yeah, that could be a switch soon. A switcheroo.
Y'all like that at 233? What Joseph?
Are we taking the video if this pushes here, or are we looking at this as weak?
I'm looking at it as if it's weak right now. I hate when it's moving like this.
Okay. I'll look at that with you. Oh shit, Tesla.
What's it up?
230, 230.
Still $3 away for me.
Yeah. It is strong as fuck though.
I'll send an alert at 234 if it gets close.
There's a 1 hour wedge that it's breaking, by the way. That's different from what we've been seeing before. So yeah,
Yeah, it lines up with like 233.
No, mine lined up right there at 231.60, 231.70.
Yo, my charts are like messed up today.
Yeah, Mike, 85 at least. Most
Meta's
likely
at
90.
539.
Oh yeah, I'm switching to that. Guys, I'm looking at Meta 550 calls.
Netflix just, wow.
Yeah.
All right, pull back on Tesla. Meta's trying.
Yes, went for the high, got rejected at the high.
Yeah, I think it was mostly QQQ though. Look at how bad QQQ pulled back.
What contracts are you guys looking at for Meta?
550.
Okay, that's what I had. Okay.
Okay, what's going on here? What are we doing? All right, we're looking at Meta. Anything else going on? There is Tesla. That's a possibility coming up soon. Frankie's so fucking weird. This kid's annoying, actually.
That was with half my size too.
And those who have my size too.
You're already out completely, Frank?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
sold on the break.
Of course he is. All right.
Meta Nor.
Yeah, I'm here, guys. I'm looking at the 550 calls. Entry will be 539.80. 539.80 as long as it's not moving with the market, which right now we're doing a great job not doing so.
Lee, we always trade same week contracts.
Great pullback on Tesla. That's exactly why we're not playing this dumbass consolidation.
I'm not gonna lie, Microsoft looks a lot better now after it pulled back like that.
So play it.
That old.
Here we go. Watch Meta, guys. This could be a quick one. 539.80 is actually alert is 539.83. 539.83 is my entry on Meta, and I'm looking at the 550 calls. Market is dropping, Meta's holding up. This could be the sickest fucking play today here if we can do the right things. It's the only thing holding up, at least on my watch list. Microsoft is consolidating, but I could care less about that stock.
That never broke 440, right, Benji? Oh, it
Yeah.
didn't. Okay.
You're switching to that, Frankie?
No. Mm-mm.
Meta, another bounce here, which is nice. Damn, this stock, guys. How much are these? 330. I'm in. 550. Oh my god.
Oh my
God. Oh my god.
I'm looking to sell, me personally, at 541.
Nah,
There we
well,
go.
it broke, buddy, and I haven't sold shit. So if you sell, you're a
Oh.
dweeb. Guys, that's how we like to start our mornings. Pay attention to what's strong, what's weak, and we take fucking advantage like Diddy. Let's move this up a little bit here, guys. I got a third ready to sell. Bro, this better hold up here. You sold everything, Frankie?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I had a level at 541, so.
George, am I by myself here? Sounds like it.
No, I'm still
I'm
haven't
in
sold a
with you.
thing. I
I'm
still
in
haven't
this
sold
too.
anything. As long as it holds 540 here, though.
The market is so weak. Yo, these happen on the wrong days. I hate this.
What's your stop here?
It's very close. Contracts are just right around where I got in, actually. What'd you get filled on the buy, George? Do you know?
350.
I got 345, so they're at like 340.
I think I might stop out here soon if we don't get bought up at 539.
I personally just stopped out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you stop out. What was good about that is even when it pulled back like that, you had plenty of time to stop out right there. What stop did you get on that, George?
I think 13.
Nothing else going on here. I mean, Tesla's trying to hold above that 231 level. Look at this. Yo, you guys see SMCI, right?
SMCI.
See.
Oh.
I wouldn't play this till 469 though. 470. 1 hour 10 there.
Still struggling with ES is still struggling with that
Yeah,
with
just
the
wakes off the same level 564 on Spy.
yeah. Like a barcode.
What is?
Um ES.
Oh.
I wanna see what recovers the
I'm
quickest.
I'm gonna keep my eyes close on Microsoft.
What do you like about it?
I like 440 and the way it's recovering right now without the market. I'm liking it so far.
I'm with Meta here for now. SMCI is strong too, Norm.
Yeah, I'm waiting on that one. I got a little bit.
What would my target be on Microsoft? Probably just 440.50. It's FOMC week, so I'm not trying to look for too much. That was my issue yesterday.
Yeah.
As my targets were too big on a bad week. Like that Netflix one, I was pretty disappointed in myself for trading that one the way I did
You're
with
up
how much I was
8K.
up.
But you traded it correctly today.
Yeah, I'm just looking for quick scalps, quick targets. So yeah, Greg, that's the issue with the. I didn't think about that on Sunday with you guys. Like, I still trade aggressively when it comes to FOMC weeks if the right setups come, but I have to remember that most of the time there isn't much follow through. So I need to be mindful of that.
We got news more again, right?
10 a.m.
Benji, what contract did you trade on this? 440s or 445s if you were to take this?
Uh,
Or if you are
probably
taking it?
probably the 440s.
Okay. There it goes. Wow.
You took it?
Wow. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm selling right there.
Sheesh, nice play.
Bruh.
What
I
percentage
thought
you got?
about taking it, but I didn't.
It paid. My like platform's like messed up, bro. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
contract-
guys, that right there is just looking at the chart and seeing what it's doing relative to the market. Obviously, I sold really early, but like I wasn't looking for too much either. So
441 would have
wow.
been the target for me.
Still going.
30 cents higher from where I sold on the contracts.
What'd you get filled at?
231, I sold at 255. I was trying to sell it when it hit 260, but that's where it ended up selling me at.
Can't chase that now. It's still gonna
I'm
go.
still in them, bro.
You're still in?
Yeah.
There's a
Nice.
trend at 441.35.
Yeah, I see it. Thank you.
Market just pushed.
Crazy how those trends be affecting it.
Yeah, Manny, I got in a little late because I was still looking at the contracts. I wasn't expecting it to have that large push. I got in around 439.90. I wanted to get in around 440.70, 80ish. I did not have an alert set there, Stevie. That's why I said I got in later than what I would have wanted on that. Why didn't you signal it? I was just late on it too, Moses. I wasn't expecting it to have the major jump when I was looking at the contracts. By the time I looked at it, it was too late for me to set an alert or even talk about it. I didn't even go in with the right position size either.
I'm looking to add on Meta here, but if this fails, I'm gonna be out. I added. Just broke a high. I don't like that. Market pulled back at the same time though. Alright, there we go.
You're still in, Kevin?
No. Oh shit, I was muted. I just got out of everything. It's like 25%.
Sold a third on Meta. Dude, Nvidia, I'm just watching it from the corner of my eye. Look at that. So for Meta, for me, I think I'm gonna get out of it very soon here because I was thinking more of a smoother play here if this gets through 542, but I just hate where the market's at. So I'm gonna give it a chance here. If this doesn't go red to green, then I'm most likely gonna get out. Okay, red to green it is. Wow. All right, on the next new high, I'm gonna wait for the pop. If it doesn't push straight to 542.30, I'm gonna be out. Market's pulling back hard. Wow. Where's Maki, brother? What's going on with your spy? Your boy spy? Tesla's below 230, George.
Yeah, I'm not. Below?
Yeah. It popped to 233.78. And now it's at 230. All right, so my stop on Meta is going to be right here, most likely. It is. 539 is my stop on Meta. Contracts are still 340. That's why it's worth me holding here, especially on that drop. I should have lost a lot more value. Anything else I'm missing out on?
Looking around, I don't see anything that I would trade. Baba 86 soon? Not right now. For me, Kevin, Baba's more of an ad open play, like strictly ad open. Like if it's not within the first 5 minutes, then I'm not interested. That's usually the way I like to trade Baba. I'm not saying it's bad to trade after that, but that's where I usually find my success with Baba. Manny, it moved well. My alert went off at 7:03, and then it just had a straight pop to 7:05. It was really clean. The spreads were actually really tight. I think they were 20 cents when I got in. So.
All right, I'm looking to higher my stop now. 539.50 is my stop. Just gonna continue to hire it so I can protect myself here. I've already got a third sold. Worst day for the market to have a freaking meta trade. Oh, that's nasty. Netflix again with the freaking fake out. Would have been a great scalp though. Pushed to what, 705, Frankie? That's where you got out?
Sorry, what I was
Where did you get out
Look-
on Netflix? What number? Do you remember?
7:05.
Nice. Peak right there.
Mm-hmm. I think I missed out like maybe an extra 20 to 30 cents on my contracts. But I mean, to me, that's peak at least for Netflix.
Yo, look at the wick in the market.
Yeah, it's important to see what the 5700 does level.
Batman's about to show up. Maki.
Uh-huh.
This is his time.
About 6 minutes. Oh, he's not here today.
What do you say? Oh, shit. If you aren't watching Meta, Frankie, just take a look if you don't have anything close. Look how strong this is. Contracts are back at what, $4 almost? Market's falling. What am I getting tagged for? Let me see. News at 10. That'll be fun. All right, hiring my stop to 540 now. Instead of it was 539.50. Now it's 540. I still have 2/3 left. Contracts are where 410. That's not that good. News in 45 seconds. So my finger will be on the sell button just in case I have to hit my stop. In the meantime, my target is 542.50. I'll sell 2/3, and then the last third will be based on momentum. Fingers on the sell button. There's 15 seconds till news, guys. I'll say that I'm out loud as soon as I click that button. News in 1 second. There it goes. I'm out. Green on Meta. The best thing about Meta contracts today, they didn't move too much to the upside. They didn't move too much to the downside. They hit a high of like 440 when this pushed, I believe. Cons aren't moving really yet. That actually is beneficial. Frank, you still here?
Yeah, what's up?
You closed your charts?
No, I'm still here. I was just with my cat.
There is one thing that I like here left. Tesla. It's held up since the market's dropped, and it's coming back for that high.
Ah, man, it is.
It looks good. I'm looking at the 235 calls on Tesla.
George, you here?
Yeah, but
Alright.
I'm done.
Okay.
Guys, I'm looking at the 235 calls on Tesla. Market's at low of day, Tesla's at high. I'm in. Okay.
Wow, Nour.
Just gotta relax.
This one I might actually look to hold though, 235 where the gap starts because of how strong this is.
Yeah, these always happen on like the weird weeks here.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look at that. Quick snap above 234. I think that just hit a 36. Yeah, 234.36 was the high. I mean, you could choose to scalp however you want to treat it. The contracts did jump.
My fill Nour was 284. My stop loss will be if these contracts hit 270.
What
I'm
contracts
up
you
no-
played?
I played the 240s.
Oh, I played the 235s, boss.
Okay, gotcha. So it's roughly like under a 10% stop loss for me, guys. So I'm up nicely. There's no reason for me to want this trade go more red than what it is. So especially on a day like this,
Whoa.
for me, I'm not sure what Nour's going to be looking for on this.
I mean, contracts are doing backflips right now. It's whatever they choose to do now. They can choose to hold or they can choose to get rid of most and leave some. You have options now. Cause
You just have to remember too, even though Tesla is ahead, this is a consolidation level too.
yep, 235 is the big level that it needs to break. Everything in between this means nothing.
Yep, exactly.
Yo, I swear, if 235 happens today, that would be wild.
If it happens in this trade, that'll be wild.
I'm gonna sell a third there, Frankie.
I'm gonna wait a little and see how 235 breaks and holds.
Damn,
so-
market is pushing though.
Yeah, now
First red
Tesla's.
flag of the day.
Yeah. So this is what I was talking about, guys. With Tesla being in consolidation below 235, this is expected from it.
Yep.
It's not. It shouldn't be it shouldn't shoot up all the way and be clean. So
Don't get me wrong, it's annoying as fuck, but you have
yeah.
to expect that before you get into that trade.
Mm-hmm.
Contracts are 520, guys. So
NQ with the red candles. Now it's important to see what Tesla does here.
Maki's adding you. I know you're in the trade.
what do you say?
He's saying spy.
The hell does he want me to do?
He said it's your type.
No, I'm not playing that. Well, I'm not calling that out. That would be him, and I'll play with him. Frankie, your stop is 10%, right?
Like a little under. Yeah, around 8 to 7%.
Are you green right now?
I just want red. 284 was my fill, and these contracts are at 277. So I'm about to stop out here soon.
Damn, market is ripping, Frankie.
Yeah, I know, bro. This is annoying. Yeah, I stopped out.
All right.
Lost 400 on that. I was up, I think, 800 on that. So
Nice.
yeah, 1 to 2 trade. But like I said, with how big that, I mean, if you guys just put Tesla on the daily chart, you guys can see how big that setup is and why I was looking to hold that.
That shit's gonna happen overnight, bro. I'm gonna be so mad.
I know. I've been thinking to myself about that for a while now. If this comes back up though, I'll probably retake it.
What, 235?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I don't even know what I had typed up. That was wild. Yo, Maki. I knew it. I'm happy I stopped that at Meta. I was gonna give it more room, but then I was like, nah, not worth it. Because of the news. Market red to green.
Market's still pushing.
Yeah, but it's not pushing like it was. I just adjusted my stop on Tesla. A hard stop at 233.05. I'm gonna higher it as we move higher here. But right now it's 233.05. If it hits, it hits. Contracts are holding up value too, so it's not gonna be bad at all. I'll probably be down 10% at that number. It's just the shit you got to deal with in consolidations. Yes, Hafsu. But I wrote down my stop. It's 233.05. 233.05 on the ask. Which is about to hit right now anyways, so. Market's pulling back. Yeah, my contract did not lose basically anything in that Frankie. It was less
Yeah,
than
my
10%.
even after I stopped out, my contracts lost like another maybe 10 cents in value, which was not much. They're actually holding up really well.
Right now, what are they? 440 a contract.
Yeah, mine are at 260 and my fill was 284. I did the math there. At peak there, I was up 14%. Isn't bad. And then I sold for what? I sold for a 4 to 5% stop loss. 5% if you round it up. So.
No follow through on anything today. Honestly, the way the contracts held up for the stocks that we played today is pretty sick. Chris Green,
Yeah,
did you
Jared.
stop
The
out?
way that
Yes.
Tesla. Oh, go ahead. Sorry.
No, he said, did you stop out? Yes. It's 233.05 was my stop on the ask.
Yeah, Jared. For how big of a trade that is, I mentioned it from time to time in the lessons. Most times I'll raise my stop loss, but that was a really early entry going into 235. So I still kept the same stop loss as I would with most of my other trades, which is between that 10% region. So.
Yo, today honestly was the first like struggle day in a minute. That was annoying.
That's how I felt
I
yesterday.
feel like this is like the first day in like 2 weeks things just don't work out the way I wanted to like that. But what's crazy about today is how well those contracts held up each time.
Mm-hmm.
And I think IV, the reason we're not losing much value on these contracts, on these pullbacks, is just due to FOMC and just the implied volatility. If you guys don't know what implied volatility is, it's quote unquote expected move for the week. So when you have FOMC, expected move for the week is higher. So let's put it like this: on average, if a stock moves $10 a week, on FOMC week they're going to expect it to move 20. So instead of getting 10% on a $2 move, you're getting 10% on a $4 move. You're not getting paid as much, but it works both ways. If you're not getting paid as much on that move, you're also not going to lose as much on that move. You understand? Just a quick explanation. I'll save the rest for boot camp. Wait, hold on. I can't see. For the rest of the week, should we focus on scalps more? So after today, especially being green on Meta and then slightly red on Tesla, I think for the rest of the week, I'm just going to go for the scalps. So the smaller wins is what I'm going to have to do until I get clearer signs that it'll be like the last 2 weeks where we're just green every single day. Banger, 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 banger. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to take it. Well, all my positions have been light, but I'm going to take it more chill as far as like letting trades go to my targets. I don't think I'm going to do that until I get FOMC out the way, for one. And then two, show me signs of, all right, continuation of the market, following up, hitting your targets instead of, breaking out and then rejecting, breaking out, rejecting. I don't like those types of play.
Or would you take your entry for the 235 break? Or are you gonna wait for a break and hold right at 235, or take it earlier? I would probably take it at the high, if I'm being honest. At the high of what, 234.57, like maybe 7 cents before that. Jared, it was terrible. I didn't execute Netflix really well or take profit when maybe I should have. And then what was the other one that I was? I traded BA yesterday. I traded the 155 level, but I got in at like 155.50. I was up 600. I ended up losing 600 on it. So I think that put me down around 7.